It's your boy Jay Will back with another video. Just checking in on you guys. It's not an affiliate marketing video. I'm going to show you what affiliate marketing can do for you. You know, I get to travel anytime I want, rent out hotel rooms by myself. It's my hotel room for the night. Just relaxing. Just want to let you guys know that don't give up. Keep pushing. Your breakthrough is coming soon. You know, follow me on Instagram at JWillTV. Like, subscribe, comment. You know, let me know your thoughts on, what's your goals in affiliate marketing. How much do you want to make a month? You know, step-by-step goals. How much you want to make a week? How much you want to make a day? How much you want to make in a year? Let me know in the comments below. Once in you guys' position, I didn't know where to start from affiliate marketing, how to start, what affiliate marketing even is. I spent tens of thousands of dollars trying to learn it. You know, I wasted a lot of money, fail year after year. I finally caught on to everything and started making all my money back plus more. Yeah, I want you guys to not give up, keep pushing, keep grinding. Comment below. You guys have a good day.